Hi, I'm Jerry with GlassEyesOnLine, and today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to insert a 6mm eye into a 1/4-inch hole by enlarging that hole to fit the 6mm eye. And we're going to do it on a fish today, only because I've got this great display of fish from Bob Jones at St. Lawrence River Decoy Company up in New York, and he does a great job on beautiful pine. So first we're going to start by putting in a place. Where are we going to put the eye? And we're going to absolutely put one opposite from the other by lining these up. And everyone is familiar with the fact that we start with a 1/4-inch drill that looks like this. And a 1/4-inch is not 6mm. It's a little smaller. So when we go to try to put the eye in, we find that the eye's a little tight. So we come back with a little bit larger drill, and we find out that it chips the wood out and splinters it from the outside diameter. My favorite choice of drill bits is a Forstner bit. And I'll drill this hole just to start, because it has a pilot hole. I don't know if you can see that, but it'll fit right into that little but it does a nice clean job, but we'll go in a little tighter. And I'm going to use the 6mm eye. First of all, let's see which one is 6mm. This is 6. And you can see that it's a little tight to go in there. So one way to overcome a disaster is with a diamond, which this is, or a ruby carving bit, which would fit into your Dremel tool as such. Turn this on, and if we come in here and enlarge that to 6mm, now the hole is 6mm. Which eye was I using? I can't remember now. You can see that this fits in there beautifully. Or whether it's a color eye, black, amber. Now remember, you're going to get some variations in glass eyes because they're all handmade. And we know that anything that's handmade is very difficult to make exactly the same thing repetitively. So we're all looking at these are pretty good at 6mm. And you can insert that comfortably. But the point of the matter is that we can enlarge the hole efficiently and cleanly by using a ball, diamond, or ruby cutter. It doesn't have flutes, so you won't have that chipping that you'll find with your fluted drill bits. And we can just come back on the other side and finish this. And the beauty of having a ball is that you can come in sideways or straight on and still have the same 6mm diameter. And you can buy these little ball, diamond or ruby cutters online. I got mine from an old friend of mine, Jim Hahn at Jaymes Company in Maryland. And it was mailed quickly. Does a beautiful job. And that concludes my lesson of the day. If you would like to learn how to insert the eyes permanently, I do have another video on our YouTube channel, GlassEyesOnLine. And also, we will have links online to St. Lawrence Decoy Company and the Jaymes Company where you can buy the ball or the fish. in the description section.